Mele in Hawaii's last live episode for 2020 is this Saturday, December 12, 2020 at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Go to hakuhawaii.com for the links to watch this live on Facebook or on YouTube. This episode is hosted by our Bondan sister Lena Girl. Yay, Lena Girl, what's up? It will be featuring Jake Shimabukuro, Anna V, and Paula Fuga. Also on their website, check out their videos, Haku Collective merchandise with some holiday collections, accessories, gifting ideas, Gimme A Minor's music CDs, including Haku Collective's Grammy-nominated album, Hawaiian Lullaby. Go to hakuhawaii.com, go check them out, go buy some stuff, and don't forget to watch the last 2020 Mele in Hawaii live episode on this Saturday, December 12th, 2020 at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Mele in Hawaii at hakuhawaii.com.